Well, that was a hard afternoon, was it, Marc?
It was, yeah. I think first half we controlled the game. They had like probably a 5-minute spell where we were chasing the game a little bit and losing our men, but apart from that first half, I think we dominated possession, created a couple of chances, and then second half was all about desire really. Like we wanted to see it from the lads. We know what a good side they are from last season. You know, they beat us 4-0 at their place comprehensively. We didn't show any desire that day, but today I think the lads really dug in second half, so happy with the performance and happy with the 3 points.
Not many teams this season have matched us on the field, and Llannefydd did this afternoon, which created our own problems then at the back. It took the time to score the goal, but was that a bit of phew, we've got the points?
Yeah, today we knew that going into October was going to be a tough month for us. Today was the first game, so just to get the 3 points, that's all we cared about today. But I do think the fitness showed as well. We're doing a lot of fitness work and training and things like that. So last season maybe it showed that we weren't as fit as what we wanted to be. This season we've started to kick on now, so we're looking better.
How's that sets us up now for Welsh Cup and Buckley next week?
Well, we go into it, we want to try and win every game, like I said before. We've got a really tough October, so we just want to get through that now. We'll just take the next game as it comes, and we'll be training Tuesday and we'll come up with a game plan for the next game. It
was nice to see some players coming back having long-term injuries as well in Danny Brookwell.
Yeah, Danny played brilliant today. We brought him off because we could see he was struggling a little bit. He just said he had a little bit of tiredness, which is to be expected, especially with his type of game, the way he plays. So we just thought we'd be a bit precautionary and bring him off.
On the bench, do they think the ball's over the line?
I think so. Well, we're not that close, but we'll take it. We probably drew one anyway, so take the 3 points.
Take the 3 points. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.